Welcome to Midwest Laboratories. Today we will be going over plant tissue sampling and how to send in a sample to Midwest Labs. So the materials that you will require are the plant sample submittal form and a plant tissue sample bag, which is the paper bags. You will not be able to use a Ziploc bag or the soil sample bags. So you want to do a paper bag or one of our plant tissue sample bags. So they have the ventilated holes and they are obviously only made out of paper. So you will want to make sure to use 2 large fistfuls of leaves. Clean off any debris or dirt. So make sure it's just the leaves that you're sending. And you can see here that's quite a large bunch of leaves. So then you'll just roll those up as you see here and kind of fold the leaves over gently, but obviously compact enough to put that into the plant tissue bag. Make sure that you air dry your sample. Don't refrigerate it. Keep it in a climate controlled room before you ship it. So you'll see here the information is filled out on both the bag, which matches then the submittal form. And then make sure to ship before Wednesday each week so that it gets to Midwest Labs before the weekend, preventing it from, sitting on a truck in warm weather and possibly molding. And you can just use a regular Midwest Labs box or just a box that you have to send to Midwest Labs.
You can also use the MyLab portal to order supplies and print off your sample paperwork. So first go to the Order Supplies tab. And if you're not seeing supplies here that you are needing, you can always contact us. But otherwise, you can choose from our different sizes of boxes. I'm going to do 1 small box. And then I'm going to do my plant tissue bags. So minimum is 25 in quantity, so I'm just going to put in 25. And then go back up here to view cart. Click next. Click next. And then select that next to your address to confirm, and then click next. And then I'm just going to click submit order. Once you do so, you'll get a green order number letting you know it went through successfully to our shipping department. And then to submit sample paperwork, you're going to click on the Submit Samples tab. Under the first drop-down, choose Agriculture. On the second one, choose Plant. And then just fill out the required red fields. So grower name is either your name or the grower. Farm and field are not required. Sample ID here, so whatever you have on your bag of plant tissue. I'm just going to put corn in here and do my test, which is the plant tissue complete. That's going to populate below the box. And then for crop stage, I'm just going to choose corn B14, 7 weeks, 14 leaves. If you don't see your stage, you just choose the one up. So just the next one up. You can add a sample, as many as you need to here, and then just make sure to fill out the sample IDs and tests and crop stages. Otherwise, if it's just the one sample, you'll choose review order. If everything looks good, you'll choose submit. Otherwise, you can make edits if you choose back to order. So I'm just going to click on submit order. And then this is the actual auto submit. So logo and address in the top left, QR code on the top right. This actually gets printed. And then you'll have that to place in the box with your plant tissue samples, just like you would the printed submittal form. So then you'll place the submittal form and your plant tissue samples in the box, and then you can drop your samples off or ship to Midwest Labs at 13611 B Street, Omaha, Nebraska 68144. If you have any questions about plant tissue sampling or to order supplies, please contact us at AgronomyTeam at MidwestLabs.com or 402-334-7770. Thank you so much for testing with Midwest Labs.